when you first started explaining this on how to buy companies with no money down, I thought, man, that doesn't sound like a good deal for a seller, are we finagling something? And I had a hard time getting that through my mind. The more I've played into doing this and actually participating and doing a deal, I'm realizing this is a great deal for the seller. What an amazing opportunity for him, because he's not going to have the taxes and tax implications that he was going to have had he
It's
sold.
very win-win.
And he's got a steady income that he's actually getting 5% interest on his money coming in.
Less than 1.
Yeah. And so he's looking at this. A lot of these guys, they don't like the ups and downs of business. It's scary. You have payroll, you have people that quit on you, you have sales that are up and down, and revenues, and you and your wife are stressed sometimes. This business is stressful, it just is. But he knows now he's got a steady stream of income. He's got a lease on his building. And that's a win-win. And so when you look at it that way from a seller's point of view,